Hi and welcome to my video on the 50th launch here at Rhys's Rocket Project. On the 14th of September 2014, we went to Wayland alongside New South Wales Rocketry Association to launch the Centurion 1, Kookaburra 1 and Kookaburra 3. First, I launched the Centurion 1 with a C65 motor. It went up about 200 to 300 feet and then came back down perfectly intact. The launch was a good flight and a success. Hopefully next time we can go ahead with making it a two-stage rocket.
It's going to go pretty high. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
September. Parachute out.
Next, we launched the Kookaburra 1. It had not flown in over a year, so I decided to bring it out of retirement and launch it. It turned out to be a great success.
Okay, everyone ready? Yeah. Okay, on pad. We have Rhys on our C6-5. This is an SDC6?
Yeah.
It's a real C6-5. Oh, we're sweet.
Okay, yep, skies are clear.
Okay, skies are clear. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice.
On the second last launch, I launched the Kookaburra 3. It had a spectacular flight, but on the second launch, we had our most successful flight ever that I've ever done in my 4 years of rocketry. There was a new height record, new speed, and the mass of the rocket was higher than any other rocket we have ever launched. And the newtons of thrust was 60 on the second flight and 20 on the first one. So both of the launches were a success, and here is the recording of it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Two shoots, that's okay. Very nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 5, 4, 2, 1.
Whoa.
That's an altitude.
Oh, you can hear the individual.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was great.
Yeah, I put little flaps on it so the
Are they separate?
What motor was in there? 4 C's and a D.
Something's coming down fast.
I did announce it.
Sorry.
Okay, so what do you reckon the altitude was?
What do you got now on Rhys? String?
Is that
I think it got
two
caught.
parachutes, Rhys?
I reckon
Yeah, there's two parts of it comes down.
I reckon 873.
One of them's got caught on the parachute. Oh no. Ah, come on.
Yeah, coming down fast, huh?
I reckon that
That
was
had the camera in it, didn't it?
No, the other bit.
I reckon
On the final launch of the day, which was also the 50th launch that I've ever completed, the Kookaburra 3 sustained only minor damage that could be easily repaired. As you can see, that was the most successful flight ever done because it had new speed record, new altitude record, and mass record. So yeah, that was the best flight we've ever done. So thanks for watching the 50th rocket launch RRP, and I hope you watch more of my videos in the future, and please like and subscribe this video.